Welcome to Lesson 7.1, Part 2, Physical Inventory Process, System Demonstration and Configuration from SAP S/4HANA Cloud Supply Chain C4CSC by KRTI Edu. In this session, we'll move from theory to practice and walk through the step-by-step execution of the physical inventory process using SAP Fiori apps and essential configuration in CBC. In this demonstration, we'll create a physical inventory document, record physical counts, post differences, and validate accounting entries. We'll also explore how configuration in CBC defines tolerance levels, approval logic, and valuation flows, all crucial for both daily operations and certification understanding. Key Fiori applications. SAP S/4HANA Cloud simplifies physical inventory management through intuitive Fiori apps. We'll use Create Physical Inventory Document F0333 to initiate counts, enter inventory count F0334 to capture quantities, and post differences F0335 to finalize adjustments. Verification and reconciliation are done using display material documents F and display journal entries F0709A. Create physical inventory document F0333. Let's begin on the Fiori Launchpad. Navigate to Inventory Management, Physical Inventory. Launch F0333, create physical inventory document. Here you'll define the plant, storage location, and materials to include. You can choose whether to count unrestricted, blocked, or quality inspection stock. Saving generates a document number, your system anchor for the entire count cycle. Selecting materials for counting. Material selection is highly flexible. You can create a document for a single material or a range, include multiple batches, or filter by valuation area or material group. Large warehouses often create multiple PI documents by area or product family, allowing parallel counting teams to work efficiently. Example, creating a PI document for Plant 1010. Let's take an example. In Plant 1010, storage location 001, select Material RM1001 with stock type Unrestricted Use. Execute and save. The system freezes the book inventory to prevent new movements. This lock ensures accurate reconciliation between counted and system stock. Printing or exporting the PI document. After creation, the PI document can be printed, exported, or sent digitally to handheld scanners. SAP supports both offline and mobile-enabled counting. This ensures that warehouse operators receive synchronized, accurate lists for real-time entry, eliminating paper dependency and manual errors. Enter inventory count F0334. Once counting is complete, navigate to F0334, enter inventory count. Enter the PI document number, then record actual quantities found. You may also enter the counting date, counter name, and remarks. SAP compares physical and book stock and instantly shows variance percentages, alerting you to potential discrepancies before posting. Validating count entries. If variances exceed configured tolerance limits, the system generates warnings or errors. You can check movement history, valuation type, or previous counts to validate. This step is critical for audit control. Only validated counts should proceed to the posting stage. Post differences, F0335. Next, open F0335 post differences. Review all items and confirm postings. SAP automatically generates material and accounting documents to reflect quantity and value adjustments. Once posted, the process becomes irreversible, preserving audit traceability. This closes the operational loop for that specific PI document. Accounting flow behind posting. Behind the interface, valuation changes are handled through automatic account determination. The system posts to transaction keys such as BSX for inventory accounts and GBB for inventory difference accounts. Debits or credits are posted depending on whether stock increased or decreased. This ensures every adjustment is reflected in your financial statements. Display material documents F177. To confirm postings, open Display Material Documents F177. You'll typically see movement types 701 for inventory gain and 702 for inventory loss. Review quantity, posting date, and user for each line item. This report serves as your operational audit log for every physical inventory adjustment. Integration with finance, F079A, open display journal entries, F709A, to validate financial postings. You'll observe debits and credits to inventory and adjustment, GSL accounts. This direct link between logistics and finance ensures accuracy in your financial ledgers and strengthens audit readiness. Configuration overview in CBC. Now, let's explore how configuration supports this process. In Central Business Configuration, CBC, navigate to Inventory Management, Physical Inventory, Define Procedures. Here you maintain procedures by plant or storage location, specify count frequencies, and define whether system stock is frozen during count execution. Defining physical inventory procedures. Each inventory procedure determines approval levels, counting methods, and locking behavior. For example, production plants might require managerial approval before posting, while regional warehouses may operate with auto-post settings. These configurations maintain operational discipline across business units. Setting tolerance groups. Tolerance groups define the permissible range for variance without requiring escalation. You can configure limits by percentage or absolute value. For example, 2% or 5,000. If the difference exceeds this limit, SAP will block posting until it is reviewed. Such controls prevent manipulation and maintain financial integrity. Integration with EWM and quality stock. For EWM-managed plants, physical inventory tasks are created automatically at the bin level. Warehouse Monitor provides detailed insight into bin-wise counts and differences. Quality inspection stock can also be included or excluded depending on the business rule set within the procedure configuration. Troubleshooting common issues. Common system issues include missing user authorizations, incomplete document counts, or open goods movements. Ensure the document status is count completed before posting. If valuation mismatches appear, verify your account determination mapping under OBIC. Regular monitoring prevents rework and data inconsistency. You've now completed the full system demonstration of the physical inventory process. We've covered document creation, counting, variance posting, valuation updates, and configuration logic. In Part 3, we'll perform a guided mini-lab, executing this process hands-on within SAP S4HANA Cloud using sample data and real-world scenarios. KRTI Edu, learn, practice, certify, succeed.